Hello guys, I am back. So different way to reload a one. What is this called? Um, HK. So different. So this is at the normal reload. The faster one. Okay. I will repeat it back. The faster one. The style one. Tactical. Then 16 one. The AK-47 style. Okay, that is more. There's more. Now for shooting. So when you're shooting, there's recoil in that hurts. Uh, you shoot you hold this the handguard or close to the mag like that. You hold your put the finger here in case there is no uh, shooting. Okay, if you are ready to fire, put the put your finger on the trigger and fire. Next, the one-handed, just like some gangsters. They touch it, put the trigger, now SWAT reload. They do this, or like when they're out of ammo. I will do it again. I was not correct. Okay, the SWAT reload. The the outlaw reload. So the outlaw is uh, a criminal or something like a terrorist, just like that. Inside, this is my MP7. You see that inside. I will cut the video. Okay, I will do the inside. It's not clear. I will put it back. So, when you are handling a gun, don't run like this. This, it's kind of heavy. In case you have a sling, put it here, or like this here, like this, and run to your enemy, or just do this. That is the mag, so you know it's an airsoft. Thanks for watching. Bye.